The time has come to dump your old lead magnet, especially the way that you create those lead magnets. I'm here with the latest LeadCreator update. Here inside of LeadCreator, the first update is the main menu. You can now sort by number of visits simply by just selecting the toggle. It'll change the visits. Of course, that will also give you the ability to change or look at the leads simply by toggling that as well. You can also toggle the same conversion rate, or you have the same option to toggle and resort the conversion rates, and you can check those out. So far, there are visits, leads, conversion rates. Also, there's a new archived field or the ability to archive your lead magnets. And you can also see the created date. So if your lead magnets age out or they get old and you don't want to update them, you could just archive them. Also, the new menu here, you have the ability to copy the link, unpublish, archive right here from the main menu. You can rename, manage your categories. There's also a new share template feature. This means that you can share out your lead magnets. This is really great for you if you are looking at this tool to be an affiliate for this tool. But this is super powerful just right here in the menu. Also reset stats and delete. Of course, be careful with the delete button. You don't want to delete one of your good lead magnets. But the idea here is now under settings as well. We have multiple integrations: GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, System.io, MailerLite, and MailChimp. More to come there. Also, the custom domains, they added the ability to add a default privacy policy. There's also a default privacy policy if you don't set up a custom domain that is tied into LeadCreator. This is just that GDPR, following compliance feel. Make sure that you're following all that. But they want to make sure that they're trying to do everything to make sure you're above board when people are signing up to your email list. But that is essentially what you have here on the main menu. The big thing here is under Create Lead Magnet. We'll go ahead and create a brand new test lead magnet. Of course, you could set the category. I could put this under test. That way I could filter all my test lead magnets. The template's currently 5-point, 10-point, 15-point listicle, the blog post summarizer, the YouTube summarizer, blog post to ebook, micro course creator with image suggestions. That one's really cool. But probably the one I use the most is the blank lead magnet, where I can just start from scratch and then get in and effectively use the AI inside of the user interface. But let's just do a 5-point listicle real quick. As an example here, we'll just go ahead and go, give me 5 of the best outdoor plants to repel mosquitoes. And I'll go ahead and simply click create. Lead magnet created successfully. You can see here that it's loading. Your lead magnet is being born. So it's working in the background to build out your lead magnet. And then once your lead magnet is finished, it pops in and you can see the top 5 outdoor plants to repel mosquitoes. Of course, you can highlight this and you can left align, you can center, you can right align. You can also change the color. For example, if you wanted this red, there is a new font size, of course, 48, or the heading is the biggest font size. But you can see now it's just a slider toggle bar just to change that. And you could also add a link. And you're just trucking along here, moving things along the way you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you wanted to come up here and you wanted to say, okay, make bullet points about this paragraph right here. You just go ahead and ask the AI, and you can just say, make this into bullet points. And of course, you could probably type in into correctly, or change the spelling of into. Go ahead, and then the AI is thinking. So what it's going to do here, it's just going to create a list of bullet points. You could replace that section, or you could insert it below. Now have a list of bullet points. And again, you could highlight these, and then you could change the color of these. Maybe we want to make all those purple. We could also center those. That doesn't center the bullets themselves. It just centers the text, so probably not something you'd want to do. But you could also highlight these right here, and you could purple them, and you could bold them. There's a feature called line height. Basically, it's spacing. So if you wanted to space those lines a little differently, and you can see the default is 36. So we'll just leave it at that. I just wanted to show you that feature right there. Of course, you could italicize these. You could also underline them. And if you wanted to make one a link, you would simply just go ahead and click your link right there. Then, for example, you could add your link by typing it in or copying and pasting it, and that's going to add the link. And then now that is going to be a link. You can see the little finger highlighting it over. And if you click on it, it'll take you to your file. Of course, you can also drop in here and you can hit the / You can add images. We have YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, text, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, bullet list, and numbered lists. Then once you are satisfied with your lead magnet and the formatting and you've made it all pretty the way you want it, you go ahead and move on to email capture. Then you select your template. The standard template, the ebook style template, you just click here to add an image. It puts an image in here. Then you have the blurred button, which is the blurred opt-in form, which blurs this button right here. So you create a call to action, and then you have the element of mystery with the blurred button. And then, of course, then you have the actual opt-in form once they click here, and you edit all that. Down here under form fields, you have the options here for your CTA and your lead capture. But we'll go back up here to the templates because they also have the no email capture form. Essentially what this is it's just a lead magnet with no opt-in form or a landing page for you to deliver information. So for example, you want to create a quick lead magnet or a quick information piece and you wanted to mail it out to your email list and you were like, where can I put this? Well, you can put it right here inside of LeadCreator. Then you can look at your statistics as far as the traffic, all right there in your main dashboard. Again, we'll go back to the standard style right here and you have your form fields. You go ahead and fill them in. You can override the privacy policy here. It will use the default or the domain default here. If left empty, wow, that was tough to say. If left empty, LeadCreator will use the domain default here or link to a specific privacy policy. There's also a double opt-in feature now. So if somebody opts in, then you'll get this little check your email box, and then you'll send them an email with the link to your lead magnet. And then again, you can use that no opt-in form there, and they can get right in and get that information because they've already opted in. We'll go ahead and leave that up there because you have the access to the styles here. Of course, if you want to change the color, you just change the color of the button. You can see the color of it changing right there. You can also left align or center align, and you can see it's changing your opt-in form as well as the pop-up right there for the check your email. And then you have your trigger, the blur timer, the half-page blur, or on the mouse scroll, 25, 50, 75%. Then again, your integrations, GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, System.io, MailerLite, as well as MailChimp. You simply just connect to the one you're connecting to. You select it, and you drop down and you load your list. And then once your list loads, that's the API. Well, that's LeadCreator reaching out to the API of the other tool that you have to actually do your email marketing. And then you select the list to connect to that opt-in form. Then it adds the lead over to your email autoresponder. That is the update. We'll go ahead and save changes on that. You can see there are other updates coming soon. So I look forward to making sure that I update you on those. I did see a pop-up there. I think I selected something that wasn't selected. Oh, I didn't select a list, so it was complaining about that. So we'll go ahead and select a list, and we'll go ahead and hit save, and you'll see that that will update. There you go, lead magnet form update successfully. So if you do select an integration, or when you select an integration, make sure you select a list, or you'll get that red pop-up to say, hey, something's wrong, you're right, we need to fix something here before it lets you move on to the next step. Under settings, you have the ability to add or turn off the LeadCreator branding. Of course, if you're going to have the LeadCreator branding turned on, you might as well become an affiliate. And once you purchase LeadCreator, you automatically become an affiliate. Even if you're not selling this type of tool, you're just using it, somebody might be interested when they see the LeadCreator branding. Click that link and you could earn a commission. Of course, here you set your domain if you want to have your custom domain, and you could also set your slug. 5 list about repelling bugs. We'll go ahead and click update. Now that will be the URL that we'll use when we share out our LeadCreator magnet. And here we're just going to click publish. We're going to click publish. And then when you want to click that or see it, you'll see the link down in the left-hand corner. You click view. That's going to open it up in a new tab. I will drop this down. You're going to see here, that is going to be the app LeadCreator list about repelling bugs. And then right there, you can see it was on a delay of about 5 seconds by default. And then the email capture form pops up, and then they'll enter their name, they'll enter their email address, they'll agree to the privacy policy, and they'll say, I want to keep reading. There's that little powered by LeadCreator. Again, that's your affiliate link if you toggle that. And if anybody clicks on that and buys LeadCreator, even if you're not promoting LeadCreator, you're just using it on your blog, and another blogger sees that and they're like, I need this, then you can earn a commission. So it's super cool. But right now we're going to focus on getting that lead. So the lead's going to say, I want to keep reading. They're going to click that. You're going to get that little pop-up. It's going to say, check your email. This is simply a double opt-in, meaning that you are driving your leads back to interface or to engage with your email, meaning that they have to go check their email, and then you will send them this link with a no opt-in link form, and then they'll get their lead magnet, and then you go back to the main dashboard simply by clicking that back arrow. It loads up your dashboard. You can see here, 1 visit, 1 lead, 100% conversion rate. It's published, the date it was created, and then of course, if you don't like this one, you go ahead and you say archive, and it will archive that lead magnet. And now you can see that lead magnet is archived. And they don't have this option yet, but I'm sure this will come. You'll be able to sort that or filter up here by categories or by archived or published or unpublished, and it'll clean up this dashboard as well. I look forward to seeing those updates and sharing them with you. Right now, if you want to learn more about LeadCreator and how I'm doing this and all the features that are available right now and how powerful LeadCreator is, because you're ready to, or you think now that you've seen how simple this is, and the fact that you can now trash or dump your old lead magnets and your old lead magnet tool, check out the link in the description. You're going to enjoy the deep dive that I put together for you and all the information about LeadCreator. Check it out. You'll also see LeadCreator in action, as well as I promise you that deep dive that you'll get to hear and see over there. You're going to really, really be shocked by all the things LeadCreator can do. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.